All right, so just some Murphy's Log notes. I got I do believe what is my last court date inside here, but who the hell knows? For both sides of the coin, mine and theirs. I really think that I have most of my fucking civil rights violated inside of there. I wasn't able to do it in the court system of my local people or peers where the incident happened because of some conflict of interest on their end, and this is totally self-induced on their end. Um, I definitely had my right to bear arms removed from me. I had my right to assemble denied on me. I never had any Brady information presented to me, and if this is the last day of the case, I asked for a jury trial and I got a bench trial. The lawyer specifically asked me, "Do you want a lawyer or a jury trial or a bench trial?" I asked for a jury trial and I got a bench trial anyways on a class C or D felony. At no point in time did I ever tell my testimony to any lawyer that I had. I never saw my lawyer until I was in front of the judge. It's been 5 months. I haven't had a call once from my lawyer to specify any information with me. And again, when it comes to this, this is based on a denial of entry in retaliation case of an ad that they put in the paper removed. I was their only applicant. Put it back in. And at any point in time, these offices could have put their videos to the presentation. Right? If I was such a terrorist inside of there, then let me see what you were saying about the issue during the time periods I was there for exculpatory matters, and we will take a crux at this. And again, my conduct and behavior being recorded in prior incidents of asking for complaint forms at a village office that they didn't have. Both the secretary and the supervisor denied me these things. And thinking from a highway control technician, JSA complaint forms along with incident reports run hand in hand with each other. How can I even trust my highway crew? With that, a fake ad in the paper, they would not let me, with an OP restraining order, ask questions about who got the job in terms of the FOIA, Freedom of Information, because of the restraining order I have not to call or go to the place or any civil function in this area that one of them could go to. If that's not a violation of a freedom to assembly, I don't know what is. At no point in time did they show me what they were spying on me for. I had a no warrant come to my house while I was in shorts, like I was gonna do something because of some asshole calling me after I had already threatened to go to the lawyers about the issue to try to explain to me why, if you're gonna call me, you're gonna tell me that I have the job. It's my job right now. I just have to wait until a time period which could be a month later after you put the ad in the paper. A lot of things are questionable. Again, now on all sides of it, the town, the lawyer, the judge, this whole system could be subject to review. What if I did take it to a lawyer? What if I could get Legal Eagle to persist on this because the nature of the finance of these things? Maybe they want a Boone and Crockett town because of the nature of the people that's inside here. Maybe they would side with me and agree with me about videotaping all of the town meetings, presenting those things other than the nonsensical of presenting bank account numbers in there when the linear equation for the necessary bar narrative reviews that are by an exculpatory form in Unity, Godot, or hell, even the old way sheets and slide presentations of a multi-domain JSA jobs of that version of a highway presentation, a model, a golf course build, whatever it may be, your town's basic arbored system on how you sheets present it, are fairly cheap and easy things to do if we were willing to actually deal with the nature of a maximum tax increase or the nature of what might be presented in the minutes given Conklin in the neighborhood and Mayor Eric Halstead, I do believe it was, in the neighboring areas. So to this, I'm probably going to ask for the video of all the parts of my trial. I'm going to ask for all the evidence that was collected on me, for me, and about anybody else that was relative to my case. So at least I can tell my grandchildren, if I ever have them, how fucked this system is.